Hi guys, welcome to Miniautos. Today we are going to unbox 5 different Kinsmart products. The first one is Chevrolet Silverado. The next one is Mercedesbenz X-Class. The next one is Aston Martin Vulcan and Aston Martin DB5 and Mclaren 720S. Before getting to the video, please subscribe to our channel for more videos regularly and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notifications. These are the 3 packages we are going to unbox today. The first one is Chevrolet Silverado and Mercedes-Benz X-Class from Toys R Us. The next one is Aston Martin Vulcan and Aston Martin DB5 from Magic One. The third one is Mclaren 720S. It also from Magic One. All 3 I bought from Amazon. Come on guys, let's open our first box now. This is 2014 Kinsmart Chevrolet Silverado. It comes with a neat and nice packed bubble wrap. It also has the license from Chevrolet. This also comes from the same seller, Mercedes-Benz X-Class. This is a nice looking pickup truck from Mercedes. This was built under the license from Mercedes and the scale is 1:42. The next one is Aston Martin Vulcan. This is also comes with a nice packing. I got from Magic Wand. It's a decent model and it's a unique sports car from Aston Martin. The scale is 1:38. The next one we are going to unbox Aston Martin DB5, the James Bond car. This also comes with a decent bubble wrap from Magic One, and its scale is 1:36. One we are going to unbox Mclaren 720S. This is also from the same seller, Magic One. This is a decent looking sports car from Mclaren. The scale is 1:38. Okay guys, that's all from today's video. Please like, share and comment below at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. Thank you for watching Miniautos.